Do you feel your cooking takes too much time or your food sometimes burns from one side and stays raw on the other? Don't worry, you are not alone. Many people think their cooking is the problem, but actually the real problem is the cookware. Today I am going to show you a smart solution. So stay tuned and watch the video till the end. This is the box pack of Prestige Tri-Ply Splendid BYK 4-piece cookware set. All the cookwares have 22 cm diameter except the saucepan. It has only 14 cm diameter. And this set has long 15 years of warranty. This is not just a cookware. This is a complete upgrade for your kitchen. These are the highlighted salient features of this cookware. First, let's understand what is Tri-Ply. Tri-Ply means the cookware has 3 strong layers. Inner layer stainless steel, safe for cooking food. Middle layer aluminium, spreads heat quickly and evenly. Outer layer stainless steel makes it strong and induction friendly. MRP written 5000 around, but got the product only at 1500 approximately. So what are the benefits of using this? Heat spreads equally, food cooks faster, no burning or uneven cooking. So in simple words, better cooking, less stress. This is the warranty card cum user manual. This Prestige Splendid Cookware set can be used on different multiple heat sources like gas, induction, radiant ring, solid plate and ceramic. Now let's watch one by one. Let's first come to the kadai of diameter 22 cm, fry pan of diameter 22 cm, saucepan of diameter 14 cm, stainless steel lid of diameter 22 cm. You get all essential items. Kadai, perfect for sabji, curry, frying. Fry pan, great for roti, omelette, snacks, etc. Saucepan for tea, milk, boiling. And lid keeps heat and taste inside. So with just this one set, you can cook almost everything daily. Let's talk about the durability. This is not like normal non-stick pans that lose coating. This cookware is strong, long-lasting, scratch-resistant. You can even use metal spoons without tension. And the best part, no chemical coating, no harmful materials, 100% safe for your health. So healthy cooking starts with safe cookware. Performance is very impressive thanks to aluminium core. Heats up fast, saves gas and electricity, cooks food evenly. So you save time and also money in the long run. Cleaning is super easy. After cooking, let it cool, wash with normal water and dish soap. If food sticks, just soak it for a few minutes and it becomes easy to clean. No hard scrubbing needed. Let's remove all labels from the cookware prior to use and wash the cookware in warm soapy water. Each cookware contains elegant stainless steel handles. The handles are securely attached to the cookware body using strong stainless steel rivets. This creates a tight, long-lasting bond that doesn't loosen over time, even with regular use. Combined with the thick tri-ply body, this riveted handle design ensures excellent stability, making the cookware feel sturdy, balanced, and highly reliable in everyday cooking. The inner portions of the surface is made up of 304 food grade stainless steel. The tri-ply technology means 3-layer construction ensures superior durability and pro-level heat control. Now I will show you this heavy-duty base works perfectly on induction, gas and electric stoves. Now it is working on induction cooktop. Now let's see how it works on the gas. So this cookware is working fine with gas as well as induction cooktop. It also works with ceramic, solid plate and radiant ring. Ergonomically designed handles remain cool and provide a secure, comfortable grip. The Prestige Tri-Ply Splendid BYK Cookware Set gives you even heat distribution, strong and durable body, safe cooking material, multi-purpose use. If you found this video helpful, please like, share with your friends and subscribe for more useful product reviews and tell me in the comments. Thank you.